Actually, sir, from our District 1, unfortunately, wala sila. But I think we have already coordinated with your team that we will have a meeting next week. Kumbaga, doon tayo sa area niyo, sir. Well, safety.
Yes po, what we have coordinated, actually po, we sent a complaint, a large complaint to NGCP with regards to our voltage violation. Kasi bumababa po talaga yung voltahe namin doon, which causes also our member consumer na palaging magrereklamo sa amin na bakit low voltage yung line namin. And we really trying to address it by whatever option we could do, like changing our transformer, but still hindi po yun enough na mapacilitate namin yung complaint ng talagang low voltage sa area namin. So most of our member consumer have been complaining na minsan yung mga aircon appliances nila hindi na umaandar kasi low voltage talaga yung line namin. So that's why we sent letter. So if you were talking, sir, na since we already have agreed na pupunta kayo doon sa amin sa City this coming June 9. So kung okay lang sa inyo, sir, can we also discuss also what happened to our power interruption during that time?
Sir, kung meron lang talaga dito, sir, na participant namin or from our ONM from our district, kumbaga na Sir June. Kaso lang, sir, they have, I think, a meeting with Sir Alvin, sir. Management meeting, kaya po wala nakapadala dito. See, sir, but I will try my best to coordinate with them.
Actually, sir, NGCP has furnished us a copy of the report. They give us the entire report on what had happened during that time. Perhaps you could ask that report, sir, para we could discuss it to our during this meeting today.
Sige, sir. Jeff,
If it's possible.
we will try to,
Okay.
baka hindi lang kami na CF, sir.
Okay, sige, sir.
Try namin dito
We could go back to that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Chairman.
Yes.